Hi there! I'm going to do a short tutorial video on how to train your dog to roll over. This is Gracie and she already knows how to roll over, but she's going to help me show you how I trained her to roll over. The only thing you need is some treats, okay? So step one is teaching them how to sit. The key to teaching dogs any tricks is being consistent, so doing the same thing over and over. Practice, so you have to practice with them, and patience, because it's not going to happen in one day. So step one to rolling over, you have to start with sit. So I'm going to teach Gracie how to sit. So you have to have your treat. This is their motivation to do what you want them to. Consistency is the key, so I'm going to show her the same thing every time. And I taught her by I snap my fingers and I point at her bottom. So Gracie, sit. And she's a year and a half old, she already knows how to sit. As soon as they do what you ask them to, you need to reward and praise them. Good girl. Once you have step one down, and it may take a few days, and that's okay. Once you have step one, the sitting down, you then move to laying down. They can't just roll over in one easy step. First step would be sit and then lay down. I take the treat in my hand and I just lay it across the ground. And I'm going to tell her the same thing every time. Okay, sit, Gracie May. Sit, sit, lay. Oh, I didn't say roll over. Lay, good girl. She likes to roll over because that's her routine. Step two is getting them to lay. Take the treat in your hand and just lay it across the ground. So you have to do sit and then lay. And now we're on to step three, is the rolling over. Gracie, come here. Sit, lay, and I take the treat in my hand and I just roll it over her. Roll over. Good girl. When I first taught her how to roll over and we got sit and lay down, I had to teach her to roll over and she didn't know what I meant. So I would literally take her body and roll her over and give her a treat. And she eventually caught on, oh, to get the treat, I need to roll over. Come here. Sit. And then step two is lay and roll them over. Good girl. This is going to take a few days. It won't just happen at once. So we'll recap the 3 easy steps to teaching your dog to roll over. The first step is to teach them to sit. The second step is teach them to lay down. And the third step is actually showing them how to roll over. And now I'll show you one more time. To cover it, you just practice and you make it one fluid motion. If I want her to roll over, I'm going to have her, Gracie, up. Come on. Sit. Lay. Roll over. Good girl. And that's 3 easy steps to train your dog how to roll over.